I'm Mallory Hawkins. I'm the Director for Recruitment at Auburn University Harrison College of Pharmacy. For more than 10 years, I've been working with prospective students interested in healthcare across the state of Alabama and throughout the country. Through these experiences, I have found that hands-on experiences, particularly those involving simulation, have the most profound effect on students' perception of healthcare in the field of pharmacy. For this reason, this year for Tiger Giving Day, we are raising money for mannequin and simulation kits to be used throughout the state of Alabama.
Hi, my name is Jordan Conner and I'm a P4 student at the Harrison College of Pharmacy. By utilizing these mannequins, we can provide students of all ages with the opportunity to see a tangible glimpse into the diverse roles that pharmacists play in communities every single day. For me, I know personally, there's no better way to demonstrate, understand, or experience what it's like to be in a clinical setting other than hands-on experience. From the retail setting to specialized fields such as ambulatory care or pediatric oncology, our goal is and our aim is to broaden a student's perspective of the profession while providing that tangible experience and opportunity to conduct these patient activities in a simulated environment, which we hope will just be another illustration of the awesome student experiences that people associate with Auburn and Harrison College of Pharmacy.
While many of the students that we engage with are familiar with pharmacy in the healthcare field, there are a number of them that are from underserved areas with limited access to healthcare. By exposing them to the services that pharmacists provide, we are not only shaping their career path, but also helping them advocate for not only their health, but that of their families. By reaching out in these communities and impacting these students, we are reinforcing the culture of excellence and innovation we have here at the Harrison College of Pharmacy.
To further our mission in these areas, we need your help. For Tiger Giving Day, we are raising $7,500 to purchase multiple mannequins and simulation kits to be distributed throughout our pharmacy practice sites that are housed by faculty and students to bring healthcare and pharmacy to as many patients as possible across our state. We are committed to expanding our outreach efforts, mainly in our high school and middle school areas where intervention is so important and can have such a significant difference. With your continued support, we hope to reach more students and ignite their passion for pharmacy and healthcare. Thank you so much for your support, and War Eagle.